The trucks were at the top of Gordon's Hill. We're going to push you down, Thomas. We're going to cause some trouble.
No, no, no. You will not get biff me.
We're going to biff you so that you go faster and faster.
No, no, no. I need to go see and Kathy down Gordon's Hill.
Oh, hee. Huff, huff, ho. You're too slow.
You be a chocolate. Stop chocolates. You messed on me.
Huff, huff, ho. You're too slow. We'll give you a push to help you go.
No, no, no. I need to go see and Kathy. I need to go see and Kathy.
We're rattling behind you and we're pushing you down the hill.
You don't beat me. I am thinking in my way, and you messed on me in front end.
Huff, huff, ho, you're too slow. We'll give you a push to help you go. Thomas could see the station at the bottom of the hill, but he was going too fast.
But a little boy won't go in Thomas.
That's right. Cinders and
They
ashes.
can't go on Thomas.
It can't because Thomas can't stop. He's going too fast past the station.
And Mama,
Yes.
it's too sad to go